He bumped his head on one of our windows, and he's fully conscious now, as you can see, but he doesn't want to leave. I tried to put him on a limb, and he won't let go of my hand. I take that this is very calming for him. I mean, I've always wanted to have a wild bird in my hand. And literally, I'm petting his back. You can see. And he's kind of digging it. How cool is this? I mean, really. Oh, Woody. My little woodpecker friend, yeah. Okay, do you want to fly? Not yet, okay.
No, look at his little tail stuck underneath.
Oh, I don't know. It's okay. It's
Maybe
okay.
oh. Well, I don't know.
It's okay. You can take as long as you need to recover. Yeah.